Whether you're crafting a message for the world, promoting something you care about, or just expressing your creativity, Canva gives you the tools to bring your vision to life. Start by logging in. Take a breath. You're about to make something beautiful. Click on Create a Design, and in the search bar, type Poster. Instantly, you're met with a stunning gallery of templates, each one a doorway to possibility. Or, if you've got a vision all your own, choose custom size and shape your canvas exactly the way you imagine it. When your workspace opens, that blank screen isn't empty, it's full of potential. Set your background. Maybe it's a bold color that reflects your energy or an image that tells your story. Every choice you make is part of your voice. Now, the words. Head to the Text tab and start adding your message. It could be a powerful headline, a heartfelt quote, or the details of something important. Every font, every color, every size you pick helps shape how your message feels to the person who sees it. Want to take it further? Add shapes, icons, stickers, little touches from the Elements tab that make your design come alive. Or upload your own photos, real memories, real faces, or choose from Canva's vast image library. It's all there, waiting for you. And here's the magic part. Everything is drag and drop. No stress, no overthinking, just flow. Move things around, align them perfectly, tweak colors, try filters, adjust transparency for a dreamy look, or animate your poster to bring it to life on screen. You can even use frames and mock-ups to give your design a real-world feel. When your poster feels right, when it looks like what you felt inside, click the download button. Choose PNG or JPG for digital sharing, or PDF for a crisp, print-ready version. And just like that, it's yours. Remember, the best posters are simple, striking, and full of heart. Make sure your key message stands out and let your creativity do the rest. Thanks to Canva's intuitive tools and beautiful templates, you don't need to be a designer to create something that truly connects. You just need a message and a moment to make it real.